Right, here we are, and Q&T. So I'm actually going to dive into the daily, and I'm pretty sure that previously I talked about the dam on top on the daily time frame. So here we are, and let's actually remove that yellow box right over there. And I actually talked about how you are making this dam on top here, and you're looking to move to the downside. You previously had this some sort of a descending broadening wedge that actually broke out, and the technical target was met up here to 86.7. You actually got overextended as well, made the dam on top, came to the downside, retraced, and now you're moving up impulsively again. All right, but now you've already made a doji right over there. Do you see that? So there's a doji at the moment, and this doji is a decisive candle that actually can mean that you're looking for a retracement perhaps. And if today you do come down here to this level, which is going to be $103, then you're making an evening star as well. So from here, you might actually try to cool off a little bit if again Bitcoin actually tries to cool off, and it's going to backtest the EMAs because you are far away from the EMAs. My take is actually, maybe come down and backtest the 55, but who knows? You can actually be so bullish and continue to the upside. The last time, okay, there's a very clear bull flag at the moment. So the lower you can actually come is to the 102 level, and maybe just a little bit down to the 20 EMA, $96, and then from here make a sideways movement and continue higher. I'm just going to remove all the drawings right now, and let me just show you this resistance that you must be breaking out of. So that's the resistance at the moment. If you want to continue higher, you must break this resistance at $106. Come up here, don't end up with the wicks. Come down for the retest, hold the retest, and we're good to go to continue higher. At the moment, it is a resistance, and I always say this whenever you invest. Ask yourself the question: are you buying right at the resistance? Then don't do it. Right? Don't do it. Resistance are for selling, and support are for buying level. And that's it for this one. Let's move on to the next one. Matic.